Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Traffic Generation Mastery PLR. Just a reminder before we start, there will be a link to the sales page we're looking at in the description to this video. If you purchase the product through that link, then I will receive a commission, but my goal in these videos is always to give you an honest review. So that said, let's jump in. This is Traffic Generation Mastery PLR. Now, as with any PLR package, what we want to look at, of course, it's going to tell us how simple it is. Now, one of the things I like about PLR is the step 1, step 2, and step 3 stuff. It really is almost that easy. Now, you are going to need some way of, you need to figure out before you purchase PLR how you're going to use it, whether you're going to simply rebrand and sell the ebook on Kindle Direct Publishing, or if you're going to try to go the hard copy route, if you want to break it up and use it for a membership site. All of that is going to be up to you. But it is, once you've done the original setup for any kind of PLR package like this, really you can use it. You can use any PLR package pretty much in the same way. So we're going to ignore the sales hype. We're going to go down. We want to see what we're going to get. So you're going to get a high quality training guide. And I like that this is telling us it's 34 pages. It's actually very specific, very, very exact in the word count. So we're just over 10,000 words. This is about typical for this type of ebook PLR. We've seen some bigger ones. I think the biggest I've seen came in around somewhere over 60,000 words, but just over 10,000 and around 34 to 36 pages is pretty average. So the other thing we want to look at in this is, what is the content? Traffic Generation Mastery, obviously it's dealing with how to generate traffic for your website or your e-store or your whatever you've got. So you can certainly benefit from the training yourself, and it is going to be something that's relevant. Now, in a sense, this is an evergreen market because pretty much since the invention of the internet, people have been interested in trying to get more traffic to their website. However, you're not likely going to sell this to just anybody. Potentially you can sell it to anybody, but the reality is you won't. You're going to be aiming at people who do own e-stores, people who are trying to gain more traffic for their blog or their vlog site so that they can make more advertising revenue. People who are, maybe they've got sorry, I hate when I lose a word, aggregate sites, but the average person who just has a blog that's not monetized, they're not interested in this. The average person who's got a here's my little opinion YouTube channel, maybe not. Anyone who's serious about getting into marketing through these things, yes, but the average Jill and Joe are not going to be picking this stuff up. So it's evergreen in a sense, but it's not going to draw from the same size customer base as something like self-help or health and wellness or fitness or anything like that. Okay, that's not a slam on that, because again, the people who are going to pick this up are very likely to be attracted to the title and the subject matter. So that, I think, is pretty strong. We do have some chapter headings here. So overview, content marketing, search engine optimization, social media, paid advertising, build a brand, content that drives results, and a conclusion. That's the ebook. That's your main product. This is basically what you're marketing. Module 2 is a cheat sheet. I love cheat sheets, I love mind maps, I love resources reports. And the reason is that all of those are great as little bonuses to give away. They're great little bonuses to say, hey, this is free, just give me your email address, and suddenly you're adding people to your email address. You can do a video on YouTube or any other of the very many growing video sites that are around, and you can tell everybody about this great product and how if they want to check it out for free, they can go to your website, blah, 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 / free mind map or cheat sheet, and they can pick it up for free, and you get their email address, and then any further products that you're selling, you can, or you're promoting, you can advertise directly to those people. Okay, and odds are if somebody's interested in one traffic marketing product like this, they're probably going to be interested in others. All right, so you're going to get sales copy. So you don't need to write your own content for a web page or something. The copy is done. 6 professional mini sites are done. So you're getting a homepage, contact, privacy policy, terms of use, opt-in page for buyers, download, and even an affiliate page that already has the banners formatted and the swipe emails for your affiliates. So if you're looking to, I believe there are resell rights on this. Not with the front end, but I think they're available. We'll look at those in a moment. Swipe emails. So again, if you've already got an email list, you don't need to rewrite everything yourself. You can basically make a couple of adjustments to it and send the swipes out. Complete set of animated banners, professional graphics. So this is the stuff you're going to really want for advertising it anywhere else. Okay. This is, now, there are a few things I would like to see on here. Again, I would love to see some actual pages from the book. I would love to see what kind of graphics come with the book. We just kind of continually see the same blue and white with a rocket ship Traffic Generation Mastery shot. I would love to see, now we did see the contents here. That's not quite a table of contents. I would like to see a few shots from the ebook itself. Personally, same with the mind map and the cheat sheet. I'd like to see images of those so that we can kind of judge the quality. Overall, though, I think this is decent. It's obviously we can't judge it on the content, but in terms of what you're getting everything that you would typically look for in a standard PLR package. So that's good. I think the subject matter is good. And we're going to see some bonuses in here. So training on how to make profits with PLR. Obviously, if you're looking to get into PLR, and I do recommend that you do, there's a lot of opportunities with PLR in dozens and dozens of different niches. Bonus number 2 is training on how to drive traffic on any product, service, or affiliate offer. And this is handy whatever you're trying to make money off of. And then you're going to get some bonuses on top of that. I'm not going to go through all of these, but you're getting an additional 10 bonuses, which I think is certainly going to help you out. Now, we've also got a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is releasing through Warrior Plus. So if you contact them and say, hey, I bought this, I'm not satisfied with it, then it may take a few days. I've seen people who complain about the runaround, but there's usually a runaround with regards to getting your money back. But Warrior Plus is pretty fair. They will do a brief arbitration, but you will end up getting your money back if that's what you want. So, this is the stuff you need to know. I'm not going to go through this because we cover this in pretty much every PLR product. We're just going to go through the stuff you can't do. You can't publish it as web content. Now, you can add it to a paid membership site. That is, you can use this as paid content. You can't simply publish this on your blog for free. You can't sell the resell rights. You can't sell, they've put can here because they've copied and pasted this from somebody else with bad English, whether that's somebody who speaks English as a first language or not. But you can't sell the resell rights, the master resell rights, or the private resell rights. You can't add it to a free membership site, and you can't just give the product away to anyone. Now, again, there's certain aspects of this, the little bits you can kind of give away as lead generation, but you can't give away the ebook. That's typically what we've got going on with these products. Now, I do want to hop over to I do hate these, by the way. I don't mind when one pops up once, but this is a perennial one that just keeps coming back over and over again. So where did we go? Oh, I'm not going to see it on there. We're going to hop over to here. This is the listing on Warrior Plus because it's really the only place that talks about the upsells. So you will get a complete funnel available as a one-time offer, and 4 times Business Traffic Generation Mastery PLR as another one-time offer. So if you're looking for more content on this, the front end is going to come out at $7, which I think is a very good deal for, frankly, for $7, I wouldn't have much in the way of expectations from an ebook. Something that is coming out with a full package like this, I think it's a good deal. So I'm going to recommend this. Again, my only real caveat is that you are going to be limited. I would like to see images coming with this, and it is going to be limited because you're going to be looking only at the people who are looking for new ways to generate traffic. But the price is good on it. It is something that does appeal to a large market of people. So I'm going to say go ahead and check this one out, especially if you're already doing PLR in kind of the affiliate marketing, online marketing niche. Check this one out. I hope that that's helpful for you guys, and I hope to see you back here again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.